Most people don't go broke overnight. They do it slowly, one small mistake at a time. You're young, ambitious, hungry for success. But here's the hard truth. One wrong money move in your 20s or 30s can echo for decades. This isn't a fear tactic. It's your financial wake-up call. Today, I'll show you 5 financial mistakes that silently destroy your future and how to avoid them before it's too late. Also, if you think skipping your daily latte will make you a millionaire, we need to talk. Point 1. Living beyond your means. Your income went up. Great. So did your rent, car payment, wardrobe, and weekend brunches? That's lifestyle creep, and it's the silent killer of wealth. Here's the scary part. Even people earning 100,000 are living paycheck to paycheck. Why? Because they spend like they're rich before they actually are. Living like you're broke now doesn't make you poor. It's how you buy freedom later. But what if you are saving and still falling behind? Then the next mistake is probably haunting you already. Point 2. Delaying investing. Time is either your best friend or your most expensive enemy. Let's be blunt. If you're waiting until you make more money to invest, you're robbing your future self. If you invest just $100 a month at 22, you could have over $300, zero by retirement. Wait, 10 years? That drops by half. Think skipping Starbucks is costly? Try skipping 10 years of compounding interest. And speaking of costly mistakes, this next one isn't about what you don't do. It's about what you let grow silently in the background. Point 3. Ignoring high interest debt. Debt isn't just a number. It's compound interest working against you. The average credit card APR in the US, around 24%. That's like running a marathon with a 50-pound backpack. If you only pay the minimum, that 2-0 debt could cost you 5-0 or more over time. Kill your high-interest debt fast, because nothing compounds faster than regret. But even if you're investing and debt-free, there's another trap, one that feels smart, but keeps you broke. Point 4. Only focusing on saving, not earning more. 2. 0 to 30. You can only save so much, but you can earn infinitely more. Cutting back is important, but you can't frugal your way to financial freedom. Your 20s and 30s are the time to learn high-income skills, start side hustles, build multiple income streams. You don't need to live like a monk, but don't ignore the power of income growth. Because even if you earn more, you still need one thing most people forget: a destination. Point 5. Not having a long-term plan. Most people drift financially. They don't plan, they react. No clear goals, no investing roadmap, no vision for freedom. But here's the secret. If you don't have a plan for your money, someone else will. How much do you want invested by 30? When do you want to retire? What lifestyle are you building? Without a plan,